Hi, welcome to this platform for Sensor Academy, either the YouTube channel or the Facebook page. In today's tutorial, we're going to consider Mathematics Paper 1 exam preparation under approximation and estimation, where we're going to talk about the absolute, relative, and percentage errors. So in this tutorial, we'll be considering that is a 2022 GCE exam and another tutorial question. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel and that it is the first time and haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when next I post any video. If you're watching this on our Facebook page, leave a comment, share the video, and tag others that may find this same video very much beneficial. So for question 1, we're talking about 2022 GC exam question 12. It says a piece of wood measures 25 centimeters long. Find the upper and lower limits. In order to find the upper and lower limits as well as the percentage error, we will depend on the value for the absolute error. The absolute error is always a 0.5 measurement, as in depending on the nature of the number. If the number is a whole number, the absolute error is always half of that is the nature. So when we want to find that is the absolute error, it is always half multiplied by the nature of the number. When a number is a whole number, its nature is 1, so this is going to give us a 0.5. So whenever you're given a whole number, assume the absolute error is 0.5. So to find the upper limit, you add the absolute error to the given measurement. To find the lower limit, you subtract the absolute error to the given measurement or from the given measurement. So for the first one here, we're going to say for the upper, so for the first one, which is the upper limit, we're going to say this is going to give us 25 centimeters and then plus 0.5 centimeters. So this one is going to give us 25.5 centimeters. So this one is the upper limit. Then for the lower limit, we're now going to say this is 25 centimeters minus 0.5, that is centimeters. And this is going to give us 24.5 centimeters. So when we've done that, we're going to proceed, that is to B, or Roman numeral 2, which says find the percentage error. So to find that is the percentage error, we're going to say percentage error is going to be, that is the relative error multiplied by, that is 100%. So we're now going to say relative error is found as absolute error over, that is the true value, multiplied by, that is 100%. So they asked about the percentage error, knowing fully that they didn't give us the relative error. No wonder this question will carry 2 marks, because we will find the relative error and then come and multiply the same answer with 100%. So for the absolute error, we already have, that is a 0.5, then over the true value is, that is 25, multiplied by, that is 100%. So for this one, we're now going to say, if we remain with a 5 here, we're supposed to add a 0 here. So here we're supposed to have 250. How I came up with a 250 is that I only have one decimal place here. So if at all I multiply with a 10 or I remain with a 5, the same one decimal place here, so long as this is a whole number, I can just add a 0, then multiply it by 100%. So this one is going to be 5 here. It's going to give us a 1. 5 here, it's going to give us, that is a 50 multiplied by 100%. So this one is going to be 50 here, 1. 50 there, it's a 2. So the answer here is 2%. So having done that, so on the upper limit, we're going to say it is 25.5 centimeter, then 24.5 centimeter. Then for, that is the percentage error, we're going to say it's a 2%. So that's what we're supposed to know and understand. Then moving on to question 2, it says the mass of a loaf of bread is 20.4 grams. Correct to 1 decimal place. Find the absolute error. So for the absolute error, we said it starts from 0.5. So which means if it has one decimal place, you add another 0. So here we're going to say absolute error is now going to give us 0.0, then 5. So this is the absolute error. Then find the relative error of the mass of the loaf of bread. So for B, we're going to say relative error equals to, that is absolute error over the true value. So the absolute error is going to give us, that is a 0.05 over, that is the true value was 20.4, that is grams. And upon reaching this stage, we're now going to multiply. So here it has 2 decimal places, here it has 1 decimal place. So which means here we're going to multiply with 100, the same we're going to multiply with 100. The number you multiply to these two numbers should be the same. So the one with the highest number of decimal places is the one that decides which number you're going to multiply with. So this one has 2 decimal places. This one has only 1 decimal place. So which simply means we can multiply with a 10, but we are going to multiply with 100. So this one is going to give us a 5 over. So when this 0 cancels, this one is going to give us, that is a 204. So it's going to give us, that is a 2040, because when this moves here, this cancels. So 10 times 204, it's going to give us 2040. So we're going to say relative error equals to 5 here, it's a 1, over 5 into 2, it can't. So we're now going to say 5 into 20, it's going to give us a 4. And then 5 into 4, it can't, which is a 0. So 5 into 40, it's going to give us, that is 8. So the relative error is 408. I said 5 here, 1. 5 into 2, it can't. I can't write a 0 because I'm dealing with the first number. I will take the second number so that it is a 2-digit number. So 5 into 20, it's a 4. Then 5 into 4, it can't. You write a 0 before taking the other number. Then you now say 5 into 40, it's 8. So here we're going to say absolute error equals to 0.05 grams. And then for the relative error, this one is going to give us 1 over 408. And having done that, it simply means we're done. And that is how to come up with the answers concerning approximation and estimation in an exam. I hope you find this video very much beneficial for an exam build-up preparation. Till in the next video, for now, it's a very good bye.